chat-GPT is a large language model created by OpenAI, a leading artificial intelligence research organization. As a language model, chat-GPT has been trained on vast amounts of text data using a deep learning algorithm. This training enables chat-GPT to understand natural language, generate human-like responses, and carry out a variety of language tasks. One of chat-GPT's primary functions is to engage in natural language conversations with people. This is done through an application interface where users can ask questions, make requests, or provide information.
So guys, firstly open chat-GPT in Chrome browser. When you click, type here what is chat-GPT. I am writing now what is chat-GPT, and now click on send button, and there is some syntax that chat-GPT will print here. Now you have to do, now you have to copy all the syntax from there, and like I will now copy it after completing the processing. Now you have copy all the syntax from I am to last word. After completing it, now open another tab and print 11 labs, which makes our voice from the syntax. This is AI tool. Now I am opening it, and you have to select this from first, and now paste the syntax from we have copied from ChatGPT. I paste it there, and now we have many settings there by which we can change our voice, like male version or female version from the setting option. Like I am clicking on it, and after clicking on it, I found it there are many voice versions by which I can make our voice from the text, which I copy on it. Like I choose this, and I have now generate from the generate button, which you have to write did AI tool. Firstly, you have to click on first did the hashtag 1. When you click on it, you can be free trial or you can be login. Now I make free trial. Okay, after I click on free trial, now we have many options. Now I click create a video, and I select some pictures. I can also from the add button to new photos, and now I have click on audio from which I upload our voice. Click on upload your own voice, which it make our audio from the file which we create from 11 labs. Now click on generate video. It will generate our video by lip sync in proper way. I am clicking on generate, and it will generate our video, and you can get the video from there. You can look there, it is processing. After
ChatGPT uses its training to analyze the input, understand the user's intent, and generate an appropriate response. Because of its extensive training, ChatGPT can answer a wide range of questions and provide information on many topics. It can also provide recommendations, engage in small talk, and provide assistance with tasks. ChatGPT is constantly learning and improving through continued training and exposure to new language data. This allows it to become more accurate and proficient over time, making it a valuable tool for many applications, such as customer service, personal assistance, and chatbots.
ChatGPT and other language models like me can be useful in many different ways. Here are a few examples. Conversational AI. ChatGPT can be used to create conversational AI agents that can answer questions, provide customer support, or even carry out basic tasks on behalf of users. Content creation. ChatGPT can be used to generate human-like text, which can be useful for creating content such as news articles, product descriptions, or marketing copy. Language translation. ChatGPT can also be used for language translation, helping to break down language barriers and facilitate communication between people who speak different languages. Personalization. ChatGPT can be used to analyze user data and generate personalized recommendations, such as product recommendations or content recommendations. Research. chat-GPT can be used to analyze large datasets of text, helping researchers to identify patterns, make predictions, and gain new insights into various fields. Overall, chat-GPT and other language models like me can be useful in a wide range of applications, helping to automate tasks, improve user experiences, and facilitate communication and understanding between people and machines. Regenerate response.